Yep. Okay, so the reason why I bring people around here was, what kind of junction was that?
What kind?
Yeah. Was a stop junction. Did you stop?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. You think you did, didn't you?
I thought it did, yeah.
Okay. Let's go left here.
Yeah, it's clear.
And then pull up on the left, just behind this black car, yeah? It's getting a bit, getting against wood. Done. Okay, so I'm just thinking, if you was in a betting and you had to bet your house on whether you stopped or not, do you think you did both times?
No.
You sure? Or was that just me saying that?
No. I was rolling.
Yeah, okay. So the difference is between a give way and a stop sign. A give way means you can go really slow, and if it's clear, keep it going, don't have to stop. But a stop sign, even if it's clear, have to keep stop, right? Yeah. But the stopping, it's really important where you stop, because on the first sign you did stop, but you didn't stop at the line, so you stopped before. It was good control, must admit, really good control, but you didn't stop. And I have to bring that to your attention really big time, because the problem with that is, if you just keep rolling and getting used to that, you won't distinguish the difference. So what is the difference between a give way and a stop?
So you can roll on the giveaway.
Yeah, but what do they look like?
Oh, giveaway's triangle.
Yeah.
Stops like.
What else? So give me a couple of things about a giveaway. Got a triangle, upside down triangle. Anything else?
Should be road markings.
Yeah. What they look like?
A triangle, like facing you.
Yeah. And what else? What have you got?
Broken lines.
Broken lines. Yeah. Okay. So if you come to a junction and it had nothing.